Embark on an unparalleled ocean adventure with Deep Dive, the world's first e-learning platform exclusively devised to address all elements of the legal regime in Part 11 of the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea and the 1994 Agreement. Engage in an immersive learning journey with international experts and leaders in deep seabed exploration across 3 dynamic dives. Dive 1, navigate the governance of the area under UNCLOS in Module 1. Dive 2, deepen your expertise by selecting Module 1 plus any 2 from marine mineral resources of the area, marine scientific research, protection of the marine environment and technology development. Dive 3, master all aspects by covering all 5 modules.
Led by distinguished experts, each module offers a unique perspective on the marine world, immersing participants in the complexities of oceanic legal frameworks and the latest scientific advancements. Through interactive sessions and comprehensive materials, learners will explore the critical roles of marine biodiversity conservation, sustainable resource utilisation, and technological innovation in shaping the future of our oceans.
Join our 3rd cohort by the 15th of April 2024 and embark on a voyage of discovery and learning like no other. This exclusive digital odyssey invites you to explore the depths of ocean governance through the eyes of renowned global leaders and deep seabed connoisseurs.